Hello, everyone. My name is Richard Affolter, and I am the director of WEBA. I hope everything is fine at your end, and we managed to go through this hard and tough period around the world with this COVID-19. And here at WEBA, we had a very intense workshops in the last couple of months. We started immediately in February with our live virtual online workshop. And as you can see here, if you click here on live online workshop, you will find all our events that coming up these days in August, September, October, etc. But today I would like to come to you because I'm introducing to you our next face-to-face workshop in Beijing, China, which will be held on the 9th and the 10th of October. So to go to this workshop, you have to click here, Agent Workshop Student Fair, click Events here, and then scroll down a little bit until you come to the WEBA Agent China workshop held on the 9th and on the 10th of October. So how this workshop will be run? So we were thinking a lot how to do it. And we find a solution, which is an excellent solution. We already tested this several times, and it worked fantastically. So you have three possibilities. The first possibility is, of course, you attend directly, physically in Beijing, China. Of course, we have all the security there in the hotel. So distance, then of course we have to wear a mask. So the first step is you attend physically. The second step is you send someone from your school. Maybe you have some local staff in China or some school representative who can attend the workshop. Or the third one, the third solution, and this is the most interesting one. So we find the solution. The workshop will run physically in the hotel as every single workshop. And by the way, I want to show you for 10 seconds one of our event in Beijing, China for the one who never attend our workshop. And then after I will explain you how we solve the problem with the COVID-19. So let me go here and see the workshop in China. I will show you for a couple of seconds so you can see how our WEBA workshop are running.
就可以进行大的，这是他要赚钱的。对，然后呢，这是反正这第一步，要学这些1年，那不是。
福州也有，
So I just show you how our workshops are running in China. They're always very intense. You will meet a lot of agents in a one-to-one session. So now on the third part, we find a solution how you can attend in Beijing, China remotely from home. Yes, correct. You can attend our WEBA China workshop directly remotely from home or from the school or whatever you are. Maybe you're in a nice hotel at the moment, have some relax, some holiday or whatever you are, and you will meet them, and like you meet them physically directly when you come to the workshop. You will need your laptop with you or computer, and every 30 minutes you will meet an agent from China. And how this will be made. So we arrange a facilitator. For every school, we will have one facilitator. So the facilitator will be on your working table. Very simple. He will be a Chinese who speak Chinese and English, and he will represent you there, but he will not represent you there for the school. He will be there and he will do we call him facilitator. This is the correct name. He will be the facilitator. So he will just share the screen with you. So like you and me at the moment, we are here, and you will be able to give a presentation in PowerPoint. You will be able to show some video. You will be even able to introduce some of your staff, some of your students. You have your 30 minutes. In these 30 minutes, you can even show the school if you wish. You can, you have the possibility to show to the agent your school. Directly there with the video. You are there and you have the agents in front of you, like you and me at the moment, and the facilitator will be there and helping you. And I will explain you a little bit what we did in addition of the facilitator. We implement the facilitator plus as well a translator. So why the translator? Because you know, if you want to work with China, you need to have one Chinese staff that will assist you, or you need to have a translator that will be there and helping you. So that will be no misunderstanding, and for you it's much more easy to explain how everything is working. So we make some tests during this period to show you, and I want to show you this a little bit how it will work when you as a school representative will give a presentation. Let me show you shortly here. So let me go to this one. So this one is now a school representative who will speak in English.
What is interesting about this program is that the diploma is the same for everybody. So students.
So as you can see, she spoke in English, and as you can see on top,
the thing about this program is that the
lady there who is making note what she said. Now, what happened? You need that you translate what you say in Chinese.
到15个学生一个班级来上课，这样子的话，可以想象到就是每个学生他跟老师的互。
So she translated immediately in Chinese on the same time. So in these 30 minutes, you have the possibility to speak in English with a translator and plus a facilitator. We did another test as well with another group of school, and it was this one here.
的一个需求，所以就提出了一个这样子的产品。那么待会儿的话，他会给大家详细的介绍一下我们。
So same case here, we use Lina in this case to make this test, how everything is working, and it worked perfectly. So you will be able to give the presentation, to make a PowerPoint presentation directly, to show a video, again, like explain, and the facilitator will be there. He will be on your working table, so he will meet the agents in front with the laptop like I have now, and he will invite him to come to the laptop, so he will go a little bit on the right side or left side, whatever you prefer. And he will welcome the agents here. The agent will speak to you directly. You will be on the other side and you will start to explain to him. And on top of this, you will have as well a translator who will be able to translate for you in case you don't have nobody that will do the translation work for you. So what we did, we implement a facilitator plus a translator. So you can work from home. You, of course, when we start our workshop in China, usually around 8:30 in the morning, 9 o'clock, it would be maybe 2 o'clock in the morning for you, or it would be 7 o'clock in the evening for you, whatever you are in the world. You know that during these 7-8 hours, you need to be there and to meet the agents. So, but you will save a lot of time, energy, and money because you can stay at home or at school, and whatever you are, you can be there and you can explain about your school, and you can share file as well. You can share agreement. You can share video. Everything is possible during these 30 minutes. So you have the possibility to show the school as well. You can bring some of the students that can speak to the agents directly. You can bring a teacher. So it's up to you. You will have the same way like you doing during the workshop when you come to one of our workshops. Or now you have this remotely from home. So this is the news about how we will run our WEBA agent workshop in Beijing. So, but why the Chinese should come to the hotel? Because the Chinese, like everyone in the world, we all need to socializing. So we all need to have to work in this industry because we are international people. We are used to work in this industry and to come together, to have the dinner together, to have a glass of wine together, to discuss together. So the same will be made the same way. The agent from all around China, they will come to Beijing, they will come the day before, they will stay overnight, and then we will have a glass of white wine or red wine or orange juice, whatever. And then on the next day, we will have the workshop. We will come to the hall inside in the hotel, and if you are not there physically, it will be your facilitator there. He will prepare the desk. Every facilitator will have a laptop as well with him. So everything is organized from A to Z. So the biggest advantage is that you can stay at home and meet the agents technically on the same days. You will meet many agents. And this is a very, very big advantage for you to attend our WEBA agent workshop in Beijing. We are now doing this as well for Russia, for Europe, for Latin America, for the Middle East, for all the Asia countries like Thailand, like Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia. So we are very intense now in go in this direction with our facilitators around the world and our translator. So this is the concept of the next WEBA agent workshop in Beijing on the 9th, 10th of October. If you want to be part, again, you need to go in our website. You just scroll down here, you read all the information about the program, and then after you can apply directly here. We are running our WEBA China workshop since 2006 every year. So until last year, we hold about 12 workshops per year in China, 4 times per year in Beijing. So we are very well known in China about our workshop. We have our own staff in China as well. So including myself, I was many, many times in China to run my workshop, and as well other colleagues of me. So this is all about our new system of workshop that we will implement inside in the next months, maybe years as well. And we will start with the WEBA workshop in China, in Beijing, on the 9th, 10th of October. So in the meantime, as you know, we have our live online workshop, which you can click here. You can find all the dates here directly, and you will be able to join as well our workshop here without any single problem. These are our virtual workshop, and as well our physical workshop starting from October forward. So we will start with Beijing, and then after the Middle East is another workshop that we will run physically in Beijing, in the Middle East, in Dubai, as well remotely, the same concept, BIS facilitator, and the same then in Europe, we will integrate the facilitator. The same in Switzerland, we have our workshop in Switzerland, which we welcome the agent from Switzerland, from France, from Germany, Italy, etc. And we will implement this concept of the facilitator and where is needed with the translator. So this is all about WEBA workshops. Again, thank you very much for the attention that you had listened to me today. And I wish you all the best. Keep safe. And I hope to welcome you in one of my events. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.